Me nah stay long. The big dirty nasty germs girl over there, so that cheap data there. Me entitled for hungry. A hungry you did hungry. Make you walk and sell 10 pound grind. Make you walk and sell. No, me I go answer. Make you walk and send. Now spend 10 minutes and dress up the old germs there. Say go wash your ear. Look on the dirt. Ginger growing in your ear. Make you walk and sell 10 pound grind. Make now you are a full blown the capital H patient. Dirty nasty thinking batty boy. Man with the precipice batty hole. Leave me alone. No tell no lie pa me. Me say if you not tap walk with mess with people, them a go fuck up one of your family and your people know by your mama walk. Your mama pussy curse and her whom condemn for blood clot give birth to a dead blood clot drunk like blood clot you. What is a blood clot annoyance to society? All blood clot use pad, dirty blood clot, stuffy body blood clot, man. Where your blood clot take set for me for? And me make you walk and sell cheap blood clot, fuck and sick for the rest of your blood clot life. Why you want top take set for me? All blood clot germs. Me not have to call your name for rub and scrub your dirty blood clot. Go wash your blood clot head from the crown of your pussy clot head to the bottom of your bumbo clot foot. It's dirty. But people are team up on you. No blood clot body when you're all dirty, nasty, stinking blood clot germs they follow them. Some of them have wigger wear upon them blood clot head for a whoppy kill blood clot filo. Till now, from ancient days, wig we all blood clot. What me them the wig they stop bumbo clot. Where me a text it pa uno. All dirty blood clot. Boy, pussy hole. You never did blood clot hungry in your house. You feel glad see a alone money your blood clot in your mouth and June. And it a blood clot and you so because your teeth people pussy clot money. And what you want, you know you not fi mess with me no pussy hole. When you did blood clot have only the two black pussy clot, right? Me never have that in my house yet. Blood clot. You never, them me have to tell you when hungry pelt your blood clot in your house, I have the two all right banana, them with the look of blood clot, weeber blood clot flour. Now me have to teach you to make bumbo clot flitters with them because you never have nothing to eat. From when you come on social media, blood clot go on like you're rich. Big dirty nasty thinking, all redundant, useless cunt, batty blood clot man. Who you take said for me for? All blood clot curse pick me because you come from family round because your granny fuck with two blood clot brother till she don't know her pussy clot baby father. And your blood clot mama all one uncle which is him father fuck him. Don't blood clot draw me tongue past social media no boy. You see from what you get me out. You know you not forget me out, you know, cause you know my blood clot mouth, me no partial germs, you know. All blood clot teeth for Juna, blood clot right, you spin your wall and go in a church, go confess. That's why God cripple up your blood clot. Top text said for me. Stop blood clot text said for me. Me never say nothing bad about you for my blood clot live me talk. Top text said for me. All condemn blood clot dirty thinking boy. You know you're not to play with me. Cause you know me I go come out come defend my blood clot name. More people threat to your family. The big pussy cheap data over England trouble me. And me make the man donate the money to you. That blood clot takes upon me. Me supposed to hungry, but I'm blood clot. Me have, can get medical record. You cannot get any. Go and take a test. Go and take a blood clot test. And the people them where you make sick. You have a whole heap of conscience, pussy hole. Me not have to beg nobody on social media not to argue with me. And your blood clot have to beg the famous blogger from England. No skeleton in my closet where can't come out. Your ad was to beg the famous blogger from England. Said, please, if you are going to cuss me, cuss me on phone or cuss me on social media. Because you know the blood clot blogger have your blood clot bill and file. No bother with me. No make my fridge door pop off. Don't draw me out. Because I have more to talk. You know you're not supposed to play with me. All blood clot, I don't know what kind of picnic you be. You're cursed. You are cursed. Your mother womb is cursed. Your mother pussy condemned to bring a dirty fucker like you. Look how you make me feel go on this whole weekend, yeah. I lie you want to tell for me, that's why I make sure I not delete everything. But me not threaten nobody for you. Me say you for top walk and give blood clot trouble because you're wrong. Thank God for blood clot me for teach you for stop ball upon social media like you have some big stinking dirty girl. Pussy hole, if you're bad enough, put out your blood clot address and see if I don't stay from which part me there. Since you want threaten, just put out your blood clot address 4 o'clock and by 4:30. If it not come out, you have a blood clot living at that bed sit and hide. Everything at your sister address you have to use. You have to hide. Because if me know your address, know me a blood clot and me challenge you. Me play blood clot pull up on you. Me blood clot born for take cocky. Cocky lean me up sometime, but because me born for blood clot, take it don't lean me up permanently, lean me up for a day or two. But you never born for take blood clot cocky, you gonna take it and now lean you up permanently. You want come eat me. I know me tell you to go take cocky. Cocky wasn't for blood clot, you. He don't know nothing about me. But blood clot page and money. You thief, you better me beg than thief. So me thank God for the money when me get. Of course, me supposed to be a recipient. Me not supposed to be a scammer. I am a recipient, and of course, and you're a friggin' scammer. Cause you thief the June money. You thief Salone money. Me not say nothing wrong in a begging. Me not say nothing wrong with that. Me never take none out of nobody's pocket, but you get it and thief it. Me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie upon him. You have to beg the blood clot famous blogger over London. Wherever up your file, so when make you walk come, go challenge blood clot him. Come off for me because it's not nice. Come, just wait till Tuesday. Continue till Tuesday. And when I come out Tuesday, go look about your generation, them walk and fuck off, then one another will take up your handicap, lean blood clot, okay, you go to Jamaica, go marry to your own cousin Nicole. And that you figure talk about. You know see you no love family ram? You know see you no love incest life? Your granny fuck with two brothers that him don't even know who are your papa and who are your mama papa. And the same man send for your mama walk up cocky underneath your mama blood clot. A good that him and your father make you such a handicap pussy clot. And a gone. People are gone off things to do. Cause me now make that big stinking dirty nasty germsy, leaky pussy, leaky imitation pussy boy they draw me out.